Welcome to Unit Circle Survival Guide. Today we're going to look at how to find the exact value of the sine of 3 pi over 2 using the S.A.R.C method. And since this angle is a quadrantal, which just means that its terminal side falls on an axis, we will simplify the S.A.R.C method. We'll be able to eliminate several steps and just apply S and C. So let's get into that. So here's our adjusted template. If you're familiar with the S.A.R.C method, you'll notice that we have just taken the S, which is to sketch the angle's terminal side, and the C, which is to calculate the trig ratio. So we're cutting out those two intermediate steps because we actually will not have an angle that falls in a quadrant, so we won't have a reference angle or a reference triangle. We'll simply be able to find the coordinates from the sketch. So as a reminder, we're finding the sine of 3 pi over 2. And let's go ahead and sketch that angle. So we know it's a positive angle rotating counterclockwise. So here's 0, counting in radians, pi over 2, pi, and 3 pi over 2. So our terminal side is right here. It's on the negative part of the y-axis. And now we want to find the sine of 3 pi over 2. So we can simply find the coordinates, and we know the unit circle has a radius of 1, so this ordered pair must be 0, -1, because here is the origin. So now we can calculate. We know that the sine of an angle on the unit circle is simply going to be the y-coordinate. So we can look at our y-coordinate, no calculation really needed, and we can say that the sine of 3 pi over 2 is -1. Be sure to check the video description for links to more worked examples, both of quadrantal and your regular angles as well. Thanks for watching.